Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's JJ right here, and today we'll be doing the oh god, guys, I feel so embarrassed. I feel so embarrassed that I don't have the real fidget spinners. It's gonna be like delivered 2 hours later. I guess that's like 9 o'clock p.m. So yeah, I got these 2 fake fidget spinners here, and I got my phone. So we're gonna be testing out which one can spin the fastest, like this. See, they're pretty much the same, but I think one goes faster. So yeah, I'm gonna turn on my phone here. It's a Huawei T230. So yeah, guys, here's the timer. So I'm just gonna put down the timer here. This little bag right here. You will be seeing me, but you won't be seeing the camera. So yeah, I'm gonna be using the blue fidget spinner first because I like blue. So it's gonna be starting in 5, 4, 3. Oh crap! I did it wrong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, let's start. There you go. Okay guys, this won't take that long. So yeah, I'm gonna hold up the camera to the phone. Okay guys, so the fidget spinner is stopping. Yeah, I gotta make sure the time's correct so I can stop it. So guys, you see they're slowing down. So yeah. Okay guys, so that was 36 seconds. No, oh my god, why am I getting these wrong? 36 minutes and 44 seconds. So yeah, gonna be doing this now. Yeah. So the last one was 36:44. Let's see how much this can go. You mark, get set, go. Guys, I'm not cheating here. Just what? It's like stopping all. Oh crap! It's like stopping already. Okay, so apparently that's 24 seconds. Come on, it was 24 minutes and 2 seconds. So yeah. I guess that's all for the video. Yeah, so there you have this. Just gonna stack it. Ugh, well, I can't do that much less. Well, I can, but okay, I'm gonna do it. Guys, if I do this, you have to like and subscribe. See guys, I did it. I'm a boss. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please, I'm begging you, I want to be a famous YouTuber. I want to be rich like all of them. I want to get real fidget spinners other than these freaking fake ones. Guys, I'm just begging you, just please help me through whatever I'm doing. I will also help you. If you want a fake fidget spinner, I'll be giving these away on the 2nd of May. No, I'm just joking. On the 1st of July. It's starting from today's one. It's from June the 9th, which is today, to June the 30th. So yeah, that's when it's gonna be stopped. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please, I'm begging you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see y'all. Oh my god. I'll see y'all tomorrow because it's every day, bruh. Peace. That what I'm haters. Remember, don't do bad in school. Remember, I'm a kid. I'm 11. And I want to go to George's. Okay? St. George's College. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to say it again. Please like, subscribe, turn notifications. It's every day, bruh. Peace. Remember, that what I'm haters. Later, guys.